Good morning, students. Jai Swami Narayan. I hope you all are fine. So today's thought of the day: when you know better, you do better. यानी आप कुछ भी करने के लिए, कुछ अपने दिल से आप इच्छा करते हो कुछ अच्छा करने का, तो क्या होगा? अगर आप किसी के लिए भी अच्छा करोगे या सोचोगे अच्छा करने का, तो क्या होगा? आपके साथ भी हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड दैट व्हेन यू नो बेटर. अगर आप अच्छा सोचोगे, जानोगे, तो आपके साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा. व्हेन यू नो बेटर यू डू बेटर. ओके.
Okay, students, after the explanation of the chapter, we will start the reading now. Okay, and this chapter and the first part is of poem which we have already completed. From today now we are going to start the story part, and it is a beautiful story of a grandfather, his grandson, and the mother of the grandson. Okay, so we are going to read now. Mom, I am home. John slammed the door and dropped his books on a nearby chair. Means when he reached to the home now, what he did, he told to his mother that, Mom, I am at home now. And he just slammed the door. And what he did, he dropped his books on the, उसके पास जो chair थी उसी के ऊपर उसे drop कर दिया. Something smells good. He think that something is there which is smelling good. With his nose in the air, he followed the sweet aroma into the kitchen. Means he was able to smell the thing which was near the kitchen, and the aroma he was able to smell. Okay, so he said that something is smelling good to me, and it is in the nearby kitchen only. Hi, John. Home already? Means her mother said to John that you have already at home. His mother turned around. She had just placed a plate of fresh baked cookies on the counter near the open window. Means उन्होंने अभी जो उन्होंने केक बनाए हुए थे जॉन के लिए, उसे कहाँ पे रखा था? काउंटर पे, जो उनके विंडो थी ना जो ओपन थी, उसी के पास में उसे रखा हुआ था. John reached for a cookies and looked outside. Means when John reached for the cookies ना, he looked outside. Okay, वो बाहर देखने लगा. It was the kind of day that made John feel warm inside. Means कैसा था उस वहाँ के जो एटमॉस्फेयर था, वो उसे ऐसे लगा जैसे उसने जब बाहर देखा तो उसके अंदर वार्मनेस फील की उसने. Pop, John's grandpa, who lived with them since grandma had died, came थ्रू द डोर. मीन्स वहीं पे जब वो बाहर देख रहा था, वहाँ पे कौन आया है? पॉप यानी उसके दादाजी. वो वहीं पे आके रहने लगे थे जब से उनकी जो दादी थी वो डेड हो गई थी, मर गए थे या डाइड हो गए थे, और फिर तब से वो उन्हीं के साथ उन्हीं के घर रहते थे. एंड वो आए कहाँ से? ही केम थ्रू द डोर, यानी दरवाजे से ही वो आए थे. स्प्रिंग इज हियर, पॉप सेड, एंड यू नो व्हाट दिस means he asked to his this na John that you know that spring has came now, and you know what this thing means. यानी अगर स्प्रिंग का सीज़न शुरू होने वाला है तो आपको कैसा फील होना चाहिए, क्या समझ में आना चाहिए कि अभी स्प्रिंग आई तो क्या होगा? श्योर, John agreed. Our annual fishing trip is coming up. So what according to the John it was? उसने कहा कि हाँ श्योर दादाजी, मुझे पता है कि अभी क्या होने वाला है. उसका कहना है कि हमारा जो एनुअल फिशिंग ट्रिप होती है ना, वो अभी हम जाने वाले हैं जल्द ही. Amused, Pop winked at John while heading straight for the cookies. यानी जब वो बातें कर रहा था अपने दादाजी के साथ, वहाँ से सीधा वो कुकीज़ खाने के लिए वहाँ की ओर चला गया. It was thinking more of our annual spring cleaning. John's mom suggested, "Tomorrow, John, you have no school and I can expect some help." Okay, so what his mother said that I know that annual spring is coming ना, तो हमें थोड़ी सी घर की क्या करनी चाहिए, सफाई करनी चाहिए, और इसलिए आपकी स्कूल भी नहीं है कल, तो क्यों ना आप मेरी आके हेल्प करो। मैं आपसे इतनी तो उम्मीद रख सकती हूँ ना कि आप आओगे और मेरी थोड़ी सी हेल्प करोगे। सो ओके जॉन अग्रीड अनविलिंगली, मीन्स ऐसा हेल्प करने में, ऐसे सब चीज़ें करने में जॉन को मन बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा था, फिर भी उसकी मम्मी ने कहा इसलिए वो उस बात के लिए मान गया और उसने ओके कहा। So in this now one small question is also there, can you guess what is going to happen next, यानी आप क्या कोई सोच सकते हो कि अभी क्या होने वाला है, ऐसे यानी जो अभी थोड़े टाइम बाद होने वाला हो आपको समझ में आ रहा है, तो आंसर क्या है, द नेक्स्ट डे जॉन विल स्पेंड हिज होल डे helping his mom to clean the house. Means what is the expectation is that what will be the John will do, the John will help his mother for the whole day by helping her to clean the house, and when he is going to do that, the next day. Okay, so the next day John and his mom clean the house. They cleaned upstairs, inside, outside until everything was spotless. यानी उन्होंने घर में हर एक चीज़, वो अपस्टेयर हो या नीचे हो या ऊपर हो, जहाँ पे भी उस सभी चीज़ों को उन्होंने साफ करने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया। ओके, टायर्ड दे सैंक इनटू द काउच, बहुत वो ऐसा करने में वो थक भी गए थे। पॉइंटिंग टू पॉपअप्स चेयर, John's mom exclaimed, "Oh, that old chair has got to go. We will buy Pop-Pop's a new one." Means what, she was not having that thinking that अरे ये सब टूट गया इसलिए बाहर फेंक देना चाहिए और ऐसा नहीं, वो सिर्फ ऐसा चाहते कि थी, सोच रही थी कि ये तो पुराना हो गया है तो वो उसे हम निकाल देंगे और पॉपअप के लिए यानी दादाजी के लिए हम एक नया चेयर लेके आएंगे। ऐसे उसकी जो सोच थी वो अच्छी ही थी अकॉर्डिंग टू हर। ओके, now okay again, okay, see, when the John's mother has told him na that we have to throw this old chair out of the house and we have to purchase a new one for the pop-up, so he thought that it's a good thing, we must have to do this, and he said that it was true. John had to agree, means he was also agree with the thinking of her mother when she told him na that we have to throw this chair and we will purchase a new, so he thought it's a good thing. So he was looking at the chair and what he see that the chair is unsightly, means वो अभी पुरानी सी हो गई थी ना, it was faded and worn and it some place even torn, यानी उसने देखा कि बहुत उसका जो कलर था वो पुरानी थी इसलिए चला गया था और वो थोड़ी सा फट भी गया था और एकदम पुराना हो गया था। John, come and help me, we will take the chair to the footpath, tomorrow the garbage truck is going to come. Means what the John's mother told him that we come and help to me, we are going to pick up that chair and we are going to throw that chair into the where they wanted to throw to the footpath. You know why? Because tomorrow na the garbage truck who was coming to their near to their house na was going to come tomorrow and it can pick it up, so they told that we will throw that chair near the footpath. As they attempted to move the chair, Pop-Up walked his way through the door. मीन्स जब वो ऐसा उसके जो जॉन और उसकी मम्मी जब चेयर को उठा के बाहर फेंकने के लिए ले कर जा रहे थे, एट दैट सेम टाइम ना व्हाट हैपन, यू नो, द पॉपअप हिज ग्रैंडफादर केम came into the house, and he came through the which way, he came walked the way through the door only. He came inside to the house through the door only. Seeing what was happened, he quickly blocked their way. Means when he saw that John and his mother are picking up that chair and going to throw out, now he just stand in between their way, from the way from which they were going now. And he said, what oh no, he objected, you can't take my chair. He told to them that yes, you are able to hear that, oh no, अरे नहीं, आप मेरी चेयर क्यों उठा के लेके जा रहे हो, आप मेरी चेयर नहीं लेके जा सकते हो. एज सेम हु हैज सेड दिस, द पॉपअप टोल्ड टू जॉन एंड हिज mother that you are not supposed to take my chair, okay, and go. So he says, oh no, you are not supposed to do this. So here now one again question is there, that why doesn't the grandpa like to remove the chair. यानी जो grandpa थे उसके दादाजी, उन्हें ये चेयर को निकालना क्यों पसंद नहीं था. So what you are going to read now, I have already written there. See there, grandpa doesn't want to remove the chair because it has been with him for a very long time. The chair has been with grandpa through the good time and the bad time of his life. Means why he don't want to throw that chair, because it was with him from a very long time, and in this chair only he has given the good time and the bad time of his life. So he was not wanting to throw the chair out of the house. So it's good, it's worn, इट्स ओल्ड एंड इट्स वॉन, यानी ये पुरानी हो गई है और ये फट भी गई है, टूट भी गई है. जॉन्स मॉम आर्ग्यूड विथ अ शार्प एज टू हर वॉइस. मीन्स उसकी जब उन्हें मना कर दिया गया ना, दादाजी ने उन्हें मना किया, तो उन्हें गुस्सा आ गया और वो एकदम आर्ग्यूड के साथ बोलने लगे कि अरे ये तो चेयर तो बहुत पुरानी हो गई है, एकदम फट गई है, ऐसा वो बोलने लगी. नो, पॉप इंसिस्टेड, ट्राइंग टू पुश हिज चेयर बैक इनटू द प्लेस. Without hearing what the John's mother is telling to him now, what the pop-up did, he just pushed the chair and put again in the place where it was. यानी उसने वापस उन्हें वहीं पे रख दी चेयर को जहाँ पे वो थी, और उन्होंने जॉन की मम्मा की कुछ भी नहीं सुना. But Pop, we will buy you a new one. John's mom tried to convince the man. Means she was trying to convince to the pop-up that don't get worried, that if we will throw your chair, what we are going to do, we are just going to buy a new chair for you, so allow us to throw this old chair out of the house. Who said this? John's mother told to his John's grandpa by convincing her that please allow her. So what the grandpa said, we are going to read now. I don't want a new one. Pop-up's voice trembled. Means उन्होंने क्या जवाब दिया कि नहीं, मुझे नई चेयर नहीं चाहिए. I don't want a new one. Who said that? Pop-up. Okay. I give up. John's mom let go of the chair. Means उन्होंने फिर ये बात छोड़ दी कि जाने दो, अभी मैं इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. We will discuss it tonight when the Matt get home. Matt, who is the Matt? Matt is the name of the John's father. So what the John's mother thought, दैट अभी मुझे पॉपअप से के सामने कुछ भी बोल के कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. इससे अच्छा होगा कि मैं रात को एट टू नाइट व्हेन द मैट विल कम इन द हाउस ना, आई विल डिस्कस विथ हिम ओनली. मैट, जॉन्स डैड. हु इज़ मैट? मैट इज़ द जॉन्स डैड. वॉज स्टिल एट वर्क. विथ अ साई ऑफ रिलीफ द ओल्ड मैन sank into his chair and closed his eyes. सो जब उन्हें ऐसा लगा कि जो जॉन की मम्मा है उन्होंने ये हार मान ली है कि वो अभी चेयर नहीं फेंक सकते हैं, तो ऐसे सोच के उनको एकदम रिलीफ हो गई और उन्होंने क्या किया, वो उसी चेयर पे बैठे और अपनी आंखें बंद करके वहीं पे बैठे रहे. पॉप अप, why you won't let us get rid of the chair? John asked when his mother left the room. It's so old. So now that John was still asking the question only to his pop-up that why you are not allowing us to throw the chair, why he is not allowed to helping us. So he was asking with so many questions to that पॉपअप दैट ये तो चेयर एकदम पुरानी हो गई, आप क्यों हमें फेंकने से मना कर रहे हो. पर एट ए टाइम वो क्या हो रहा था, उसके जो दादाजी थे वो वहाँ पे उस चेयर पे अपनी आंखें बंद करके सारी पुरानी चीज़ों को, उन बातों को याद करने लगे थे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द पार्ट 1. After this we will start the reading of part 2. Okay students.